Namaste everyone. I would like to introduce you to Reiki. Reiki comes from two Japanese words like Rei and Ki. Rei means universal and Ki means energy. So the Rei is the universe and Ki is part of the universe which is flowing also in us through the 7 major chakras we have and 72,000 nadis or meridians in Chinese medicine they call. Reiki can be used for all human beings on all levels like mentally, emotionally, physically and psychologically. We can also do Reiki on plants and animals, and it's useful for many problems, like it can be used for instant pain, or it can also be used for chronic pain or even cancer. We recommend that people should keep the medication if in case of cancer and use the Reiki on the side to enhance the healing process. Reiki is taught in 4 different levels like Reiki level 1, 2, 3 and master or teacher. So Reiki level 1 is for those who just want to know what is Reiki, curious to find out. So go ahead, do the level 1. If you like the level 1 and you like the Reiki, you feel that you like to work with others with Reiki, then you can go ahead and do level 2. Level 3 is for those who want to enhance themselves and prepare themselves to be teacher. And finally the level 4, which teaches you how to teach Reiki to others. I am offering all those levels. If you are interested, go ahead and write me your question, and I will be happy with answering all your questions. You can also find more details on my website, which can be found below the video description, and I hope to see you soon on one of my courses. See you soon and Namaste.